We've had success in catching, well, a frog. Take a look at it. Here. Can you see it?
Wow. Just look at that. Hello. This is, well, the most amazing frog I've ever seen. I've seen much bigger frogs, but I've never seen one this bizarre and unique. It just looks so strange and out of this world, this frog does. Wow. Take a look at those eyes, they're crazy. So strange, right? It's literally on my jumper.
Look at... Oh gosh, look at that. Wow, we have actually had success. I didn't think we would actually find... I knew that there were lots here, but I didn't think we would actually find one. Wow. Should we release it now and see if we have any luck catching, a bigger one maybe or something? Yeah? Come on. Release this little frog. Oh god, oh god. Very jumpy. Shall we release him? Come on then. You should see a frog swim, It looks so cool, look. Oh, he's just there. Sat there. Oh god, look at that, he's just swam away.